Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inayati. I am from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Let me to convey the result of our community service activities with the details optimizing the coverage of reproductive organ infection cases findings and management effort by health facilities. This community service was carried out in Lendah Kulon Progo and supported by Directorate of Research and Community Service Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Here's our team: Dr. Ivana Beru Brahmana, Dr. Anna Matsudawati, Lia Fitriana, Naura Hashifa, Febi Nur, and Dr. Betty Suryawati. Introduction: as we all know that the infection of reproductive organ with the symptom pathological vaginal discharge caused by bacteria, fungi, parasites, and viruses. The treatment must be tailored to the bacterium causing the illness. The result of our previous service community in one Asia branch in Lendah in 2024 showed that the most common cause of vaginal discharge was polymicrobial, namely gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Asia reproductive health cadres or KRA cadres and 13 Asia branches have the ability to actively contribute to expanding the coverage of case findings. According to the microorganism causing this infection, the community will then receive the appropriate treatment to ensure full recovery. Objective the community service are to broaden the surface coverage of case findings, the reproductive organ infection, and then identify and examine the microorganisms that cause infection and collaborate with health facilities for the treatment of the case findings. About the subject and scope of the community service are community on the area of Asia Kulon Progo regional leadership includes 13 Asia branches and Asia Primary Clinic Sewu Galur in Lendah Kulon Progo. This is the methodology performed many steps. At the first, coordination between the community service team, KRA cadres, and health workers of health facilities. The second, the Asia branch KRA cadres encourage target community with possible reproductive organ infection to examination causative microorganism. And the third, identification of causative microorganism by microscopic examination. And the fourth, health facilities provide medical services based on the result of the causes of reproductive organ infection. And the last, KRA cadres conduct post-management monitoring and report on the coverage of reproductive organ infection cases. The technique of data gathering are target community survey, laboratory examination, medical record of Asia Primary Clinic in Sewu Galur, Lendah Kulon Progo. The analysis data with analytic descriptive. This figure 2.1 is about the method and problem solution in these community services. The following are the results of our community service. Figure 1 shows the number of reproductive organ infection cases found based on the origin of the Asia branch. It appears that the Purworejo shows the highest number, followed by Karangsewu and Tirto Rahayu. Furthermore, Tabel 3.1 shows the result of the identification of microorganisms that cause reproductive organ infection based on gram microscopic examination of the vaginal swab samples, indicating that gram-negative bacteria are the most common cause. Also seen in figure 3.2, we were able to obtain 30 vaginal swab samples and undergo gram microscopic examination. Treatment was given to the people who were detected with reproductive organ infection at the Asia Primary Clinic Healthcare Facility. The result of the treatment history as shown in the figure 3.3. There are three categories of the history of the result of treatment: complete cure, clinically improvement and need for control, and no treatment. That the highest percentage in 77% are completely cured. Conclusion: in Kulon Progo, Asia Reproductive Health Cadres or KRA cadres expanded the breadth of discoveries reproductive organ infection cases in 7 Asia branches. They determined that gram-negative bacteria were the most often occurring causal microorganism. Based on identified bacteria, solutions for managing infection cases have been implemented, and 77% of reproductive organ infections have shown recovery. The following is documentation of our community service program. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.